Good morning, guys. Gonna do a video for you quick instead of typing a 4-page email. As you know, you probably heard that Legion Baseball was on, then wasn't. Now it is again. Basically, it is. Our Legion can sponsor us, um, and we can wear their uniforms, patches, all that stuff. As of right now, there is no Legion postseason play. So we will not be hosting the state tournament, but we can still play games and stuff at our will locally and within the state. We will not be traveling outside of the state. Not sure if we're having our tournament. I would doubt that, but you never know. But strongly think that's probably not going to happen. So, Keith, the schedule I sent you for concessions is probably in limbo. Don't rip it up totally yet. But I don't see us playing until at least after June 1st. More info there on schedules and things to come. With that said, I'm trying to get a league going in the Northeast where we get 7 to 8 teams and just play each other twice and maybe do an end of the year tournament. That's what we've been kind of working on the last week and a half. Now, as of Saturday, VFW has okayed a U19 league to take place to the Legion League. I don't know if we'll be able to do that. Sometimes with the Legion and VFW, that is a touchy subject. So, but they are going to sponsor postseason play. I'm sure kids are going to want to do it. I'm just not sure how to navigate those waters as of yet. A lot of that will probably be up to our Legion if we can do that or not. So there. With that said, we are going to do a baseball meeting this Wednesday at 7 o'clock down at the baseball field. And it's for the 13-14 B-teeners, and then the Junior Legion kids, which would be 15, 16, 17-year-olds, and then Legion, 17, 18, 19-year-old. Just kind of go over what we're going to do for the year and how we're going to proceed. I've came up with this COVID guidelines after looking at other things, what other towns and things are looking at. Not set in stone, so if you have anything you'd like to add to this or think we should add, by all means, put it in the email. First one, each player will read and sign a COVID release waiver. I have one from Pierre Legion Baseball that looks pretty good. I'll attach it in the email. You guys can look at that. I would obviously change the wording in it to reflect Redfield. Need to get each kid a helmet for the Legion group. Junior and senior, we're probably have to order 10 to 12 helmets, I would guess. 13, 14, probably another 7 or 8 to 10 helmets there. Hopefully the city will fund that. Recommended use of batting gloves when needed. No sunflower seeds with the spitting and the sharing of seeds. Could be a big deal, spreading it and germs. Hand sanitizer and wipes. I don't know if I have that spelling there right. In team dugout, we would probably have a tub with some sanitizer equipment with us that we just carry with. No sharing of water. Should be sharing of water coolers, water bottles. Each kid's got their own, and that's just theirs. Social distancing, spacing in dugouts is 6 feet apart, which is going to be a little tougher when we are hitting. But it sounds like a lot of towns are expanding what the dugout really is to get them outside the fence. Travel from games will be responsibility of the parents as of right now. Me and Brent have talked about this quite a bit. And then also probably get the Legion's input. Normally take a bus, but right now probably your parents got to get the kids there. Maybe we could change back to team travel as the year goes on. No overnight stay for our teams at the time of postseason play. Maybe be reevaluated. That would be late July. And then cleaning of equipment after games is a must. Bats, have each kid do their helmet, wash their hands, catcher's gear, power wash it, and get it all cleaned up. So that's the guidelines. I'm sure I'm missing something. Tell me what you guys think. You can just type in the email and we can add to it. You guys probably know amateurs is a go. VFW voted to be a go. Legion is a go. A little different, but so this is what we have. 13, 14